Up now. Five seconds. We're ready to go with the 7 to 8 65s. Out they come. Good jump by the 282. Ollie Kale. Ollie Kale got a great jump out of the gate. Had the whole shot. Right, leaders pulled up, a bit of a soft section there. A few riders struggling through that bit. Well, leaders pulled a good gap. Leaders pulled a good gap early in this moto. 7 to 8 65s. They head down round to get the first lap counted. Race leader on the 601, Liam Millard. Millard leads the way round from the 280 machine. With Kyle Spruill in second. Behind Spruill, we've got the 22 of Ryder Burchell. Then the 411 of Duke Sharabin. Behind Duke, got the 268. Stella Harding. Stella doing a stellar job up there at the pointy end of the field. As the number 20 comes past us, Blake Regan from the Dubbo Club. But Millard well out in front at the moment on the 601 machine from the Borkham Hills Club. The 133. Deacon Chandler. Deacon goes down into the bottom section of the circuit. Trying to hold on to the back of the field there. Caden Riley on the 611. Our race leaders are 601. The 601 up and over the centre tabletop. Wow, this fucking microphone is rubbish. Up and over the centre tabletop. Okay. So round comes our leader again now on that 601, the Borkham Hills rider. Liam Millard's got a mile of space between him and second place. So Millard checking out from the rest of the field. Still Kyle Spruill holding on to second, in behind Kyle. Sharabin on the 411. Sharabin followed by Burchell. Young rider from the Oakdale Club. And behind Burchell now, we've got the 268, Stella Harding, and the 86, Archie Black. Black followed by another rider. Then we got the 282, Ollie Kale. Couple back then to the 225 of Bo Davey. Another blue bike through there, Blake Regan from the Dubbo Club, and the number 20 bike. White Anderson followed by Cooper Grano. Wow, a bit of head shake for the number 9, Dean Henry. Charbon over the centre tabletop. As Deacon Chandler heads down into the bottom part of the track. So Millard gets the last lap board now. Liam Millard, your race leader. On the KTM from the Balcombe Hills Club. And he's got so much space behind. He's got no pressure to win this moto. 1 lap remaining for your race leader. Also now 1 lap remaining for the 280 of Kai Spruill. Charbon, little Duke from the Oakdale Club holding on to 3rd place. And Birchall holding on to 4th. Another Oakdale rider there. It's pretty quiet out there in this moto. Boys on the line, but they'll make some noise very shortly. Archie Black goes through there. I missed that rider again, sorry. Behind Archie. Couple back to Ollie Kale. Davey on the 225. Cooper Grano down to the bottom. Cooper followed by Dean Henry. I think that's 277, yeah it is. Bobby Rowe. I think Bobby staying where we were staying, brand new bike, didn't have any numbers on the sides. There's your race winner, Liam Millard. .15 board up now for the 7 to 8 65s. 7 to 8 65s, out they come. Oh, a couple of cross up. Fucking over the microphone. So it's Liam Millard leading the way for the 7 to 865s, the 601 bike from the Borkham Hills Club. He's out in front. Little Bo Davey heads down into the bottom on the 225 machine.
Announcement to tell people to clean their front and side numbers. Side plates.
So a call from the lap scorers: if you riders could please clean your front numbers, your right side numbers. Lap scorers struggling to see the numbers. I know how they feel. So clean your front numbers and especially right side numbers, or just keep all your numbers clean. So you can pick up what rider is what out there. Stella Harding just in front of the leader, 601 of Liam Millard. Duke Sharaban running in third. Behind Duke, the 254 bike, Valai Newton. Couple back to the 282. Ollie Kale followed by the 823 of Ryder. Matafiglio behind Ryder, the number 20 bike of Blade Regan. Lost our second place rider. Second place rider's binned it right in the middle. Gets going but holds on to second, thankfully. So our second place rider, haven't called their name yet, I'll see when they come around. The 133, Deacon Chandler heading down to the bottom of the circuit. So Millard with a great, oh my God. Millard with a great lead now, gets the last lap board. Stella Harding just in behind the leader there, young Stella. Great go. Here comes our second place rider. Pick this number up this time. Oh, Sproul in the 280. Kai Sproul, the Wollongong rider, running in second. Sharaban running in third on the 411. And we've got the 22 machine of Ryder Virtual behind Ryder, an ex-place rider. It's a 254 machine of Elijah Newton. Next one through, Magnifiglio. Then the 282 of Ollie Kale. Almost the whole field now on the last lap. Couple of riders to come through before your leader will come across the line. Cooper Grono from the Maitland Club on the 24. Heads down to the shady part of the circuit. So the checkered flag is out and waiting for the 601 Borkham Hills rider on the KTM. Liam Millard takes another win. And the 7 to 865s. Kai Sproul. 15-second boards up. We're ready to race with the 7 to 865s. Turns to 5 seconds. Starter lets them go. Out they come now. Oh, Sproul a good start. Sproul had a good start, but it was Liam Millard. Took the whole shot from the outside, cut back across in front of Sproul. Oh, Sproul's put it down. Sproul on the ground there. It gives Millard a good run out front. He stole the whole shot, stole that whole shot off Sproul. Millard did. So Liam Millard up over the centre tabletop, leading the way round for the final moto of the day for the 7 to 865 class. Comes well out in front now, the 601 of Liam Millard, the Borkham Hills rider. Great job out front, followed by Duke Sharaban in second on the 411. And we've got the 86 of Archie Black running in third from Oakdale. After Archie, we've got the 225 of Bo Davey. Couple back then to the 268 of Stella Harding. Blade Regan gets through there, the 22 of Ryder Birchall, also through there. Deacon Chandler heads down into the bottom on the 133 machine, but it's all about Liam Millard at the moment, well out in front. No pressure for him. That 450 is about to line up for the final moto of the day, the feature race. Feature race today. About to line up on the start line. Millard heading his way up to the top of the mountain. He'll go under the power lines. And he's got a sizable lead now. After 1.5 laps. Here comes Liam now back towards the last lap board. He gets out the last lap board, ready as they go by. Liam Millard, race leader, looking for a clean sweep, I think. Can't remember about race one. But he's been right up there every moto. Oh, Sharbin. Oh, Duke. Got a little untidy there onto the start straight, but he just hit the gas and straightened her up. So Sharbin running in second. Archie Black running in third. Good job, Archie. Then we got the 225 of Davey, and the 254 must have been Elijah Newton. Virtual. 24 Cooper Grono gets through. Number 9 now, Dean Henry. He's our leader up over the centre tabletop for the last time. Heads up the mountain. Sharbin now heading up the mountain as well. Final climb up the hill for these guys. On their final lap of the first round of racing for 2022 here at East Coast. So on the way home now, heading for the finish line. Liam Millard takes another win here from the Borkum Hills Club. Duke Sharbin should be coming across the line in second. Sharbin, nice top 2 finish.